Air leaks cause up to 50% of energy waste in compressed air systems, leading to financial losses that are measured in hundreds of thousands of dollars per year in a single facility. If left undetected and addressed, they can lead to severe issues, such as significant financial losses, decreased operational efficiency, unplanned downtime, and even potential safety hazards. Acoustic imaging allows for safe and easy detection of pressurized air leaks, delivering results 10 times faster than traditional methods. The FLIR Si124-LD Plus is a smart, easy-to-use acoustic camera that enables users to promptly detect leaks even in noisy industrial surroundings and without halting operations. Equipped with 124 microphones, the Si124-LD Plus provides a wide field of view for detecting compressed air leaks from a long range away based on the sound they emit. Lightweight and safe and easy to operate using only one hand, the Si124-LD Plus features intelligent, built-in functionalities that automatically filter out typical industrial disturbances and estimate the distance between the leak and the camera. The device also provides leak size and cost estimates in real time, offering concrete actionable data for maintenance and repairs. Before starting an inspection, make sure that all the necessary settings are in place to give you the optimal results. We will show you how to do this later on in this video. Charge the battery fully before its first use. Plug the battery into the charger until the LED on the charger turns green. To start using the Si124-LD Plus, insert the portable battery into the battery housing and turn the camera on. Built with 124 microphones, Si124-LD Plus is able to detect leaks as small as 0.004 leak per minute. You can see the decibel level, leak size and cost estimate at the top of the screen. Leak rate or size is estimated based on the sound coming from the leak and its distance. The yearly cost is estimated based on user input on the cost of electricity in their region and the utilization time that the system or equipment is running. With its built-in AI-enforced automated functionalities, the Si124-LD Plus delivers a seamless user experience. The auto filter automatically selects the most suitable filter in order to obtain the most accurate results. Filters are specialized in detecting and isolating leak sounds from the environment, as well as eliminating known industrial noise disturbances by actively sensing the environment where it is being used. It is recommended to keep the auto filter setting on, but you can also manually choose from the predefined filters in the advanced settings. You can select a filter based on the environment in which the camera is being used. The auto distance automatically estimates the distance between the leak and the camera to improve detection accuracy and reduce manual inputs. The auto distance works for distances up to 5 meters. If the camera's AI-driven analytics recognize a challenging environment, the display screen will notify the user of the situation. The plus and minus buttons available in the main screen can be used to select the distance that the user estimates to be the most accurate. It is recommended to use the multi-source mode to scan a large area quickly and find several potential leaks. In order to inspect the leaks more closely, switch to single-source mode for a more detailed inspection of each leak. Note that when using the multi-source mode, the device and the software used for analyzing the snapshots, the Acoustic Viewer or Thermal Studio, will only analyze the strongest sound source indicated by the small crosshair on the screen. To take a snapshot, press the snapshot icon and name it. Enter the energy or volume cost and set the leak unit and currency for the most accurate analysis results. We recommend selecting the correct settings in the Setup Wizard and connecting to Wi-Fi to pair the device to the cloud immediately after unboxing, as your acoustic camera is then ready for use. After starting the device, you can select, among other things, language, time zone, and location. Remember to also set the desired leak unit, currency, and especially the energy cost. Connect to Wi-Fi to pair your device to the cloud service to back up your snapshots and view the details and results. After the pairing, the camera is ready for use without any adjustments. To automatically upload snapshots to the included Acoustic Viewer for further analysis, enable Wi-Fi in the camera settings. The Acoustic Viewer is a cloud-based platform that enables you to store and retrieve information from captured snapshots from anywhere, anytime. We also provide Thermal Studio, an offline software for those who prefer to use it. The software accompanying the camera provides a complete solution for reporting results. With just a few clicks, the user can compile information from as many snapshots as needed and export the data into Excel format. The software generates reports that are compatible with international standards, like ISO 50001. Si124-LD Plus package contents. Si124-LD Plus acoustic camera. 1 user license FLIR Thermal Studio and the Si124 plugin. 2 batteries, battery charger, camera neck strap, hard case, printed documentation, USB memory stick, and 2-year warranty. To find out more, please visit our website.